Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm coming on with some project shares for KSCraft, and these are projects I made with some of the dies and stamps from the November release. And I will link them all down below in the description box on the AliExpress store. You can always check Amazon too to see if they're there yet. So I made a lot of like a wintry kind of projects, and I used, for all of them, I used this collection from Simple Stories. It's called Winter Wonder. This came out in 2023, but it's still available out there. I actually just ordered some more from scrapbook.com because I just love this collection. It really reminds me of crepe paper, and since we can't get crepe paper collections anymore, this is definitely a good alternative. And it's just really nice and cozy. There's a little bit of Christmassy elements to it. Not really. It's mostly just winter. So you can use it all winter long, use it for Christmas, use it for other winter holidays. So that's why I like that. All right, so the first die set I used is this one, and this is called the Pocket Letter Envelope. And it's very simple, just comes with these two dies. And this one you run through your die cutting machine once, and it cuts out your envelope, and it leaves all this nice scalloped detail on the edges with it looks like eyelets. And then it comes with this layering piece as well, or you can make it an insert into the envelope, like make it a card. I made mine as a layering piece on one of the envelopes. I made two of them. The other one I didn't use this. But I think it's designed to put into like standard size pocket letters. I don't usually make those, so I made them into gift card holders. And Millie's here. Hi Millie, you want to say hi to everybody? You want to come a little closer? She'll probably come sit here. All right, and then I also used a new stamp set, and this one is called the Coffee Tags, and it does come with a stamp to cut them out. And let me just take this out a sec, hang on. Okay, so the ones it comes with, they all say, well, I'll read to you what they say. You're so sweet, but first coffee, coffee or tea, coffee addict, let's meet for coffee, for my coffee-loving friends, love you a latte, hug in a mug, coffee break time, coffee queen, one sugar and a splash of milk, just add cream, I don't give a sip, hot cocoa, relax and enjoy, and how you been. So obviously for coffee, for hot cocoa, for tea, any kind of like warm beverage that you want to use them for. So I thought this would be cute to put like a Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts or some other kind of coffee themed gift card in there, and then add a cute little tag. So that's what I did for this first one. So the one I made says coffee break time, and I used some blue ink, some blue like chalk ink for that. And I cut the insert out of this really pretty pale blue shimmer paper. This is an embellishment from, I think it's from Hobby Lobby, I've had for a while. And I made the envelope out of paper from the Winter Wonder collection. So you can see that really pretty scallop detail. Millie got down, not sure where she's headed. She might be back. But anyway, let me measure this before I open it. And I used removable dots, glue dots on it so I could open it and close it. So it's about 3.5 inches long by 2.5 inches tall. Okay, so perfect size for gift cards. So my removable dots are kind of hard to open sometimes, but okay, let's get that. All right, so that's what it looks like when it's open, and I did rip it. These are very kind of permanent removable dots, but anyway, inside I put a little gift card, and it's not a coffee shop gift card, it's a Target one, but it has all the cute little mugs on there, so I thought that was cute. And yeah, it fits perfectly in here. My glue dots are in the way, but you can see it does fit really nicely in there, and that scalloped eyelet detail is so pretty. So that's the first one I made, and then I made another one too. This one, I didn't use the layering piece because I just wanted to show off that pretty paper. And this says relax and enjoy, another sticker from the same collection, from this one from Hobby Lobby. And then the back, it's kind of upside down because this is directional paper. All right, sorry about that. Anyway, so yeah, it's directional paper, so it's upside down on the back, but that's okay. So I'm just gonna open this again with my removable, in quotes, dots. But this one, I put in a tea bag, and they fit in pretty good, like these bigger tea bags. I did have to fold over one of the, edges, but it's still, I didn't fold the tea bag itself, just the edge of the packaging. So if you had packaging that's a little bit smaller than this, it would fit in nicely. But yeah, Twining's tea bag fits in pretty well, and I thought that was, just cute with the relax and enjoy with a little spot of tea. So this could be a cute accompaniment to like a mug or something like that if you wanted to gift that. So I'll just leave it out for now. But yeah, cute, right? So gift cards, tea bags, or also, for your pocket letters. So that is my first project. And then I did cut out a few more of the little tags if you want to see what they look like. Hug in a mug, and you're so sweet. I used like an aqua ink and a pink ink. This one I used, it's like a darker aqua teal kind of color on some gingham paper, just like the coffee break one. And then the die cuts out the circles or the holes too, which is really nice. So yeah, those were the first two things I used. Let's move on to the next project. And that one is this. This is the Snowman soup recipe. So this one comes with stamps, all of these stamps, and the dies appear on this top half of this sheet. Let me just get a piece of paper over so you can see. I've used them all, of course, or all of the snowmen anyway. So it comes with dies to cut out all of these images. There are two different snowmen, a boy and a girl, scarves for each, a hat, a bow, and some arms. And then there are little sayings too you could cut out. There's a die for that as well. This one says, when the weather outside is frightful, snowman soup can be delightful. When you feel a chill or burr, use the candy cane to stir. Hope it warms your spirit and soul. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. And then I'll just hold that there. If you want to read them all, you could just pause the video and check them out. But there's snowman soup. You could send this one with like some hot cocoa. This is just, kind of general, so you could use it for anything. So I made a card with these, and let me get that out. So here it is. How cute, right? So got a little something on her. So I stamped everything with my Memento Tuxedo Black ink, which looks like this, because I did want to do some alcohol ink coloring on here. So I used white paper for the snowman. And then for the accessories, I used pattern paper, like this polka dot paper for his hat and scarf, and then some gingham paper or plaid paper for her bow and scarf as well. And this paper here comes from that same Simple Stories collection, so does the pink one. And this is actually a sticker from that collection. And then I used some white glitter paper to make some snow. I have like an edge die in my stash that I made that with. And then that's a sticker from the Simple Stories collection too. When you stamp it out, unless you mask it off, the noses are going to come out black or whatever color you do the stamping. Hi, sweet kitty. So I used some Nuvo drops over that. I used this one, which is, Millie, your tail is so fluffy. Excuse you. Sorry, guys. This one is called Ripened Pumpkin. So it's definitely darker because it has a black base, but you definitely get the idea that it's orange. So let's measure these cute little snowmen with their little hats on. They are about 2 7/8 approximately by, well, it depends on where I won't measure the arms, but the snowmen themselves are about 1 5/8. Doesn't she have such a fluffy tail, guys? I think she wants to show you. Okay, thank you, sweetie. Yes, so that's what they look like. And on the inside, I used one of the stamps from this collection, as well as a die. It says, sending you snowman hugs and warm cocoa wishes, and with a cute little cocoa sticker. And then this die I've had forever from AliExpress in my stash. This is a A2 size card. So, you don't have to use them for snowman soup recipes or, whatever, any of these dies or stamps that it comes with. You could just use them as cute little snowmen and put them on embellishments or cards or something like I did too. And it's fun to cut these out of like different papers and, just kind of make it your own. Okay, so that is my next project, and I have one more to share with you today. Just move this over. Okay, And that one is using this die set, and this is called the Lift Up Pocket Letter. And this was so fun. I wasn't sure how to use it, but then I thought of a fun way, I think, to use them. So it comes with these two slides or dies as well, you know, like a, not slide, yeah, slides. I didn't use these, but if you wanted to make a cute little slide, you know, like an old-fashioned slide, you could do that with this. For the Lift Up Pocket Letter, I used these two dies. And this one, it comes with like, or it cuts out the perforation lines, and it says pull, so when you pull it down, you can see something on the inside, and this is the backing layer. So you could either make it pull down to just have a sentiment or a picture, something like that, but I wanted to try something else out. So I cut out some more of these snowmen. So here are a couple of the ones I made, and you can see where it says pull, that's just, you know, comes out, it's embossed in the die. And if you glue it along the edges, then you could pull this down without, you know, ripping it. So you just got to be careful to glue it, to put glue just around the edges and then place it on your backing sheet. So both of these say want to build a snowman, which I cut out from a page on a page in this collection. And I'll open one with you to show you how it works. Okay, so on the inside, I put some of those die cuts or stamp and die cuts that I made of the snowman. So you pull this down. I hope this works. Haven't tried it yet. And yeah, look, so it has the snowman, an extra snowman, and then a scarf, and then the hat. So that way, whoever gets this, when they open it, they can make their own little snowman. They could color it and then glue it together. So yeah, I thought that was a cute idea. So in this one, I did the same thing, but except I used the girl snowman, her scarf, the bow, and then I put some arms in hers as well. So I wanted to show you quick how to do this because I did make an extra set of the front and the back. So it just, you know, it comes together so quick. I just like kind of put this die, kind of fussy cut it on one of the cut aparts from the collection, and then I glued on another strip that I cut out and just put that there. So the way you could do it is either glue around the three sides and put it on, and then you have a little pocket and fill it up, and then glue the top shut, which is what I did with one of these. But the other one, this is the backing piece, you could just put all your pieces in the middle, and these are the pieces that came out of the one that I just showed you. So there's the hat, the scarf, the snowman, and just make sure it's in the, sorry about that. Okay, so we will glue this front piece onto the back piece around the loose pieces. So I'm just gonna take my glue, I'm using my Nuvo Deluxe adhesive, and just putting it all the way around, being careful not to glue anything in the center because we don't want to glue our pieces down. Just like that. Maybe do a little bit there. Okay, everything's glued a little bit. You don't have to go crazy with the glue. And then just take it and then make sure you're careful and don't slide it around too much. Just put it right in the right spot. And then just press along the edges like that. And then you have your cute little lift up pocket letter. So you could put this in an actual, you know, pocket letter. Same thing with those envelopes. But, you know, you could just send it out separately like this. So obviously it says pull on it, so someone will know to do that. And I love the want to build a snowman sentiment too, because it actually does come with a little snowman inside. So yeah, it works really well. Like I said, you don't have to put anything in there if you don't want to. You could just put a cute little picture or sentiment in there. But you know, why not put something? You could put, as long as it's really flat, because this is, you know, just a one layer of paper. Maybe put some like big sequins in there, like some big snowflakes, or you know, whatever. You can even put a sequins mix, just to sprinkle it in one layer, and then put your and then glue it down. So whatever you want to do, it doesn't have to be, you know, just something to look at. It could be something useful too. You can even put a few of these tags in there, you know, maybe a few more, and then close it. And then that way, whoever gets this has their own little tags to work with. So just a, you know, something, another way to use some of these dies and stamps. All right, you guys, that is it. If you have any questions, please let me know. I will link the dies and stamps down below on the AliExpress store. And that is it for today. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and please subscribe if you haven't. And I'd love to hear what you think about my projects. I'll talk to you guys later. Take care. Bye-bye.